How to straighten wig and cutting lace.
This is how the wig looks straight out of the package. When you get your wig, it can be prepped and ready for install. I'm going to spray one layer of this True Match lace tint in the shade Bronze underneath the lace. Now I'm going to style the wig on my black head. And the wig comes as a left part, but I would like to do a right side part. So after I part the hair, it got some oomph in it. So to get that oomph down, I'm going to go in with a hot comb, and the hot comb I'm using in this. And I'm just pressing down the parting space and smoothing out the hairline. This just helps the parting space lay in the direction that I would like it to lay, and it also helped the parting space get a little flat. I would like to straighten out the hair a little bit more to my liking, so I'm just gonna part off the hair in the back in a thick section. After I section off the hair in the back, I go in with my Babyliss Prima 3000. The temperature setting I have it on is 410 degrees, and I'm just doing a quick press out through the hair. Now I am all done straightening the hair, and look at this flow that it has, y'all. It feels so soft and real. Now I'm gonna take my zigzag scissors and I'm cutting right along the hairline. Now it is time for the wig install. So right here is my end result. This wig right here is gorgeous. Definitely looks human, looks real. I'm not gonna lie, the frontal part is really thick, but it's still cute. It goes with the style of the wig.